Okay, for 788, they want us to find the values of a and b, so they give us a system of equations, right? And they happen to be exponential functions, right? So here's a system for part A. So the easiest way is to first look at it and see if there's any shortcuts, and there's clearly a shortcut in this case because they have b to the 0 power. And we know that anything to the 0 power is 1. So in essence, the top equation there is really 3 equals a times 1. So we know a equals 3, and then we can substitute in to get b, and we could choose any equation to substitute into. Let's substitute it into the bottom one. So we have 75 equals a b squared. So 75 equals 3b squared. I divide both sides by 3. I get 25 equals b squared. So b equals 5. And then I would write my answer, a equals 3, b equals 5. Okay, so that's part A. That was a little easier because they gave us b to the 0. Now let's take a look at b here. So let me clear all the other work. So for b, we have two equations. I think the easiest way is to solve them both for one variable and use the equal value method. So the top equation really becomes, if I divide both sides, so I have 18 equals ab squared, right? If I divide both sides by b squared, I have 18 over b squared equals a. And then I can do the same thing for the bottom equation, right? So this one. And I have 54 equals ab cubed, and I could divide both sides by b cubed, right? And this cancels out, and I have 54 over b cubed equals a. So now I have these two equations that both equal a. So now I can set them equal to each other using equal value method. So I'll come up here. So I have 18 over b squared equals 54 over b cubed. And if I multiply both sides by b cubed multiply both sides by b cubed, right? Over 1, right? So now I'm left with 18b, because the b squared and the b cubed became b, equals, and these b cubes cancel out, 54. And I divide both sides by 18, and I get b equals 3. And now I need to substitute in to get a, so I'll choose the top equation, 18 equals a b squared, so 18 equals a, and b is 3, so 3 squared. 18 equals 9a, divide both sides by 9, and that gives us 2 equals a. So now we know a and b, so we would write the answer as a equals 2 and b equals 3.